Water Splashing Festival is the most characteristic festival of the Dai ethnic. It is the New Year festival in Dai calendar in the period of June 6th to July 6th. On this day, people worship Buddha. Girls welcome home for the Buddhas, splashing water on them, and then water on each other to express good wish. At first they use hands and bowl, then later use pots and barrels, while singing songs. During Water Splashing Festival, people paddle dragon boats and perform a variety of traditional recreational activities. Torch Festival, a traditional festival of the Yi, Bai and some other minority nationalities inhabiting southwest China, falls around the 24th of the 6th lunar month. On the day of the festival, the Yi people and Bai people of the Dali Bai Autonomous Prefecture in Yunnan province would build a big torch made by layers of dried firewood and pine branches in villages. At dusk, carrying small torches, villagers gather around a big torch and wait for the exciting moment to come. When the big torch is lit, people hold their flaming torches high. Sometimes they walk around their fields, and sometimes collect at a bonfire, singing, dancing or drinking in the hope of bountiful crops in the coming year.